Alright guys, welcome back to Griddle Grub. I'm Ron, and today we finally were able to get some steaks from the store. They were not all sold out this time, so I'm gonna show you guys these ingredients, and I just want to say thanks for viewing, and smash the like button, subscribe if you like what you're seeing, and yeah, we're gonna bring you in, check these ingredients out, and get it cook on. Alright guys, here they are. 2 6-ounce fillets. That's the only thing we could get, so we'll take what we can in this time. But we got some green pepper, onion, jalapeno, red bell pepper, carrots, onion and mushrooms that I'm gonna throw some Lowry's on with that, along with clarified butter. We got salt and pepper for the other veggies, got my oil, and yeah, we got the Blackstone heating up nicely, and we're about to throw this stuff on and get it going. Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, I'm going to get this oil on. We're going to start off with some veggies. Let's get this going. So excited to finally get some steaks. Some good steaks. Alright. So we're just going to get, I got the left 2 burners all the way on high. I have the far right off and the right middle on low, completely on low. Let's see here. We're gonna throw this on first. The mushrooms and the onion. This is for my wife. This is all hers right here. So I'm just gonna mix that up a little bit. Just get a little happy. I'm gonna throw some clarified butter in there with it, and I'm gonna cover them up. Yep. I'm gonna get these good. Actually, let's throw some water in there too, steam them up a little bit. Help them along. Oh yeah, that's nice and hot. Want to mix that butter up under there. All right, let's get these veggies going too. That. All right, here we go. Yeah, these aren't going to take long. I'm going to keep this nice and hot for these fillets. They're pretty small, but I just want to make sure everything is cooking right. Get these nice and happy. Alright. Now let's leave these right here. Now let's see what we got. So we're at about 400 here. Got about 400 there. This is going to start cooling down though over here. And you know what? I'm going to throw some clarified butter in with these. And I'll mix that up when the time comes. Yeah. I'm going to wait on the steaks because they're not going to take very long. So, just going to hold off on them for now. Alright, these are looking good. Let's get some Lowry's on here. You can smell that butter. Some onions smell real good. Nice strong onion. Oh yeah. Alright. These are looking real nice. You know what? I'm gonna move these over. And then let's get these other veggies going. Get some of that. Yep. There we go. You know what? I'm gonna throw the carrots on now, and throw them under the cover here, because carrots are a tough one too. All right. Yes. A little bit of that. I'm going to throw a little bit of clarified butter in with them too. Cover them up. Get some water in there. Boom. Oh yeah. Look at that, butter's getting everywhere. Definitely. Alright, let's throw some salt and pepper on these veggies. We got the sea salt. Got the fresh pepper. There we go. Mix it up. Ooh, and that pepper smells good. Yep, starting to brown up nicely. Just give it a nice sweat. Alright, these are looking pretty good. I'm going to move these over to the side. Then you know what, we're going to get these, mix up these mushrooms again, make sure we're still good. Check the temperature over here too. See what we're working with. Alright, we're still good over here. Yeah, we're at about 300 over there, so we're good. Let's mix these up again though. There we go, come on. There we go. Yeah, just mix them up one more time, and then we'll stick them back over there. Alright, we're good. Alright, let's let that sit and do its thing. Let's mix up these carrots right here. Alright, let's throw some little salt and pepper on them, just a little. Just cover them back up for a minute. Let them go. I'm gonna get these steaks going now. Make sure I got my timer here. Alright, let's get that timer going. Yeah, these are only 6-ounce steaks, so it's not gonna take long here. Set it for 2 minutes. I'm gonna do 2 minutes on each side of the steak, and then we'll see where we're at. I think we'll probably be pretty good right there. So, all right, we got that ready. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of, put the last of my butter on here. There we go. Yep. There we go. Mix that around. All right, some nice clarified butter on there. Alright, here we go. Let's throw these on. Alright. Alright, I'm going to bring you guys back in 2 minutes, and we'll see how they're looking. Welcome back. The timer just went off, so let's check and see what's going on with these steaks. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh, man, that looks good. Now, I forgot to say, I seasoned the steaks with Famous Dave's steak seasoning, salt, pepper, and olive oil. And these are nice and done now. We're good on the carrots. Let's mix this up. Oh, I forgot to start a timer. I'm going to start another timer for the other side of them steaks. We're trying to get a medium, so we should be good where we're at now. We're looking. Mix these up. Yep. Alright. Yeah, we're looking good right now. Everything smells delicious. Alright. So I'm gonna push them back in their corner. Get back up there. Let's play with these. Get them nice and good again. Alright. And you know what? Let me get this out of the way. Well done with you. All right, the mushrooms are still good. How we looking on temp? Yeah, we're up to 430 over there. 250 over there. We're good. We are good. All right. So I'm gonna bring. Let me see how much longer we got. Yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys back in about a minute, and we're gonna see what's going on with these steaks. All right, we're gonna check on the temperature of these. Give them a flip. Ooh, yeah, that's looking nice and seared on that side. Yes, that's looking real nice. All right, let's check the temperature on these. Yeah, I need to get one of them quick thermometers. Gives you the temperature real quick. No, these still aren't ready. Oh, this one is. That one's almost at medium temp. Medium temp is around 155-ish. I'm gonna move you up there. Get you a little more heat. All right, well, I'm gonna get ready to get this one off. I'm gonna bring you guys back. I'll give that one to the wife. Get her. All right, so this one's done. I'm gonna get this one to the wife. Actually, get that in the middle. Oh no, we lost a mushroom. That's okay. Yep, get her all the mushrooms over here. Alright. Yep, we're gonna give her some of this. Over here. Oh yeah. I mean, that looks pretty good right there. Alright, my steak's probably just about done now. I'm gonna kill all the burners here. So I'm gonna get this into the wife. I'm gonna bring you back and check this out. Alright guys, welcome back here. Alright, I'm gonna get mine off now. Alright, let's see here. Yep, load up them veggies. Over here. Oh yeah. Alright. I'm gonna clean this up real quick and I'm gonna bring you guys in for a taste. Looks promising. Alright guys, let's dig into this, see what we got. Oh yeah. There we go. I'm gonna bring you guys in and check this out. Try not to drip everywhere. But here's what I'm looking at there. Nice and pink there. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, let's give this thing a taste. Man, I haven't had a filet in a while with everything going on here. That is delish. That is the most tender steak that I've had in a while. We haven't been able to find steaks at the grocery store for like 2 or 3 weeks. Veggies are good. We don't like our veggies overcooked so they're all soft and stuff. So that's good. That steak is amazing. Perfect amount of fat on there. Very good. Oh yeah, look at that. All right. Well, that's all I got for you today. Appreciate you guys coming by. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing. And I'm just gonna dig in. Thank you.